guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm Mr. Gaza here with the Gaza Performance Garage. Today we got something really nice lined up for you. Yes, of course it's hot, it's summer, it's blazing hot in the garage. Well, I really don't care. Be done. Listen, you like my black cherry? Listen, speaking of black cherry, she's got a problem. Alternator problem. The alternator went out on black cherry, and I took this time to clear everything out of the way, and I'm thinking, why don't I install the Titan Motorsport 4-piece Black Edition aluminum billet pulley set on my 2JZ, which is what I will be doing today. Hey, listen guys, listen, we're
almost at 2,000 subscribers.
Guys, hit that subscribe button right down there. In my hand right here, the alternator, brand new by the way. Part number that I got from AutoZone. My guys over at AutoZone, thank you very much for the mad discount. Hey, I used to work there back when I was 16 years old, 17. Part number, can you see it? That is the part number for the alternator. As you can see, this is a 3-pin old style clip on the back. And this is a 100 amp alternator, which is what the 2Jz 161 calls for. Look, I got the wheel pulled off. Look, this is the Titan Motorsport pulley. Look how it's going to transform a boring old alternator or new alternator. Look at this. Amazing. This is what I will be doing today to my beautiful black cherry. I hope you like this content, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Why don't we just go ahead and get to the work. I'm going to show you how easy it's done. Here is the alternator. The pulley mounted onto the alternator. Put that aside. Now we're going to try and hit the water pump. To do that, I use a oil filter wrench, so I can just wrap this around the pulley like this. So I turn it that way. Okay. Let's see here. Excuse the noise in the background. My compressor is leaking, and this is a 12mm ratchet. Now we're going to install our water pump pulley by Titan. Beautiful. I got me some new hardware for my water pump. Turn it the other way. I'll be tightening it that way, so I need it turned out that way. Alright. Excuse the compressor, I'm leaking here. I need a new pressure regulator. Yeah, this is perfect. Let's see if this is a 12. Okay, the size went up. As you see right here, that's that water pump fully installed. Now I'm going to work my way over to that part right here, which is the idler pulley. It's a 14 millimeter bolt. Is what you're going to be pulling, so it will be pretty simple and easy. Turn it this way. Now that we got that loose, I'm gonna use my ratchet tool just to take this off really quick. Okay, what you do now, gently pull the pulley off. Don't lose any washers or anything. Hold everything together so you have an idea how it's assembled. So here you go. That's the old pulley. There's that screw. And there's the bearing, and that's a washer. You will no longer need that washer or that pulley, but you're just going to use a screw. The Titan pulley comes with a washer, which is what I'm going to place first. And then we're going to put the pulley, and then we're going to place the bolt right there. This is where it will hold down on the surface of the bearing and hold it together right there for you. And now we're going to take out the power steering pulley. The power steering pulley uses a 17 millimeter socket. Get out on there. Go get your filter wrench. There we go. It's off. See that? These pulleys are still good. I'm going to keep these just in case they bolt right up to copper. Now we're going to mount the power steering pulley. Beautiful, isn't it? I spray painted this bolt with some silver paint. I know it's not matching, but you know what, I can't do any better. Now that's in. I'll be turning it clockwise. Should hold away from me. That's all nice and tight. There you go. Titan Motorsport. All Titan, baby. All Titan. Guys, the end product. We have our beautiful pulleys installed. Nice and shiny. Alternator, water pump, eyelet pulley, and power steering. This needed to be done. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest, find the belt, and we're done for the day. Hey, what's up guys? Yes, welcome back. We had a really tough day today working on these pulleys, but we made sure we got everything right, everything done properly. Listen, I'll go ahead and show you right now what was done. The new alternator is in and everything is torqued to specs. Listen guys, hit that subscribe button right down there and also hit that like button, share, and remember guys, we're heading for 2,000 subscribers. This is a race to reach 2,000. Okay guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing the channel here. I'm going to go ahead and show you the end product of what we did today.